In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a video thumbnail in your email so subscribers can click through and watch it on your site or hosting platform. First, open Mailchimp and sign in. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for building any new campaign. Click Create, then choose Regular Email. A regular email is the standard campaign type and works perfectly for sharing a video with your audience. Next, select Design Email. This opens Mailchimp's template and layout options. You'll see a variety of choices, but to keep things straightforward, pick a basic layout. Basic layouts are clean and flexible, which makes placing a video block simple. Now select a layout you like. Single column options are great for clarity, and click Apply. Your chosen layout will load in the email editor, showing areas for a header, body content, and a footer. Inside the editor, you'll see a panel of content blocks on the right. Find the video block and click it. Then drag and drop the video block into your email where you want the video to appear, usually beneath your intro text works best. When you release it, a placeholder will appear in the layout, and the settings panel for that block will open. Now paste your video URL into the provided field. Mailchimp recognizes links from popular hosting platforms like YouTube and Vimeo, and it automatically pulls in a thumbnail with a play button overlay. This creates a clickable image that takes readers to your video because most email clients don't play videos directly inside the inbox. If Mailchimp can't detect a thumbnail, make sure your link is public on the hosting platform. You can also add descriptive alt text, so screen readers convey what the image represents, and consider a short caption to give context or a call to action. Once everything looks right, click Save. You should see a confirmation that the block has saved successfully. This locks in your video block and its settings within the layout. That's it. Your video is now embedded as a clickable thumbnail in your Mailchimp email. A quick recap: you opened Mailchimp, created a regular email, clicked Design Email, chose a basic layout, applied it, added the video block, dragged it into place, pasted your video URL, and saved your changes. After saving, you can continue designing the rest of your email or move on to your usual review process. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!